What if I told you that every time you use Claude Code, you are probably bleeding tokens without even knowing it? Not a little, a lot. There is a hidden productivity killer that nobody in the AI space is talking about. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Picture this, you are deep in a massive data extraction job. Thousands of lines, full focus, and then a question pops up into your head. A quick clarification, a small tweak. So, what do? You interrupt everything, you break the flow, you burn token just to ask something simple. But the people quietly crushing it with slash btw or by the way command. And by the end of this video, it's going to permanently change how you work with AI. Hey everyone, I'm Nitin and you are watching the AI University. Here is what you are about to master. How slash btw command in Claude Code works, why it's a game changer for anyone working with complex prompts, all the practical steps to enable it, and if you want to become a power user, stick around because no other tutorial gives you the goods like this one. Alright, so let's set the stage. Previously, every time I wanted to multitask with the Claude Code, like for example, I have a question, how to create Claude skill, can you tell me the complete steps? And as soon as I press enter after typing this question, in midway suddenly another question popped up in my mind. Okay, so let me enter first. Okay, so now I have another question in my mind. Can I connect a skill with MCP? So previously to do this, I had to open totally new session. That meant reloading all my context, burning an extra 15,000 to 20,000 tokens and in real dollars, and jungling multiple parallel threads. Worst yet, I would have to hunt down old conversations, refetch assets, and constantly split my attention across windows. If you have lived that pain, you know how fast token cost add up. Here is where BTW comes to the rescue. So now mid conversation, you simply type slash BTW and followed by a question. Okay. So my question is, can I connect skill with MCP? Now press enter. Instantly a side panel opened right inside your current thread, right? And this lets you engage in a parallel micro conversation, asking follow-ups, requesting clarification, or changing requirements without ever leaving or interrupting your main task. Think of it as a pop-out chat within your workflow. So as you can see here, when I asked the question by using this command slash btw, or by the way, can I connect, and ask my question, can I connect skill with MCP? It answered my question, right? And it also provided me the steps to connect a skill with MCP, right? And the key points as well. So now if I press space, as you see here, there is a message. If I press a space, enter, or escape, I can ask next question. For example, let me again type BTW and ask another question. What are the benefits of connecting MCP with skill? Right? Press enter and it will start answering your question. So this is the way you can, type multiple or ask multiple questions. All you need to do is just press escape or space or enter, and you can get the command line again to ask next question, or maybe go back to your previous question, right? So as you can see here, we asked initially how to create a Claude skill. Can you tell me the complete steps? And it has provided you the complete steps as well. So what is the real advantage here? Well, number one, it will reduce the token consumption because I stayed in this one particular window only. I did not have to open a separate session, and as a result, I did not have to provide the additional context, thereby reducing my token count. So number two is context remain intact. Earlier, you had to open a new Claude session if in case you wanted to ask a new question. But the problem related to that is that the context of the previously opened Claude session was getting lost since the newly opened session was completely new and had no idea of the context. But now, since you are not opening a new Claude session and rather chatting in the same session using the /btw command, then the context of the current session doesn't get lost. So you avoid those massive context reloads every single time. That alone will save you literally half your tokens in complex workflows. Friends, let's hit pause for a second before I show you how to actually use the /btw command. And speaking of productivity, well, pro level productivity is not just about working smarter in Claude. It's about getting results everywhere you show up. If you are running a brand, an e-commerce store, or just want to boost conversions with studio quality ads, you have got to check out adblitzai.com, right? This is the website which turns simple product images into world-class video ads for YouTube, Meta, TikTok, and beyond in just minutes. The link is in the description. Now let's get back to mastering Claude BTW command. So how do you actually use /btw command? So here is the step-by-step process. First, you need to make sure you are in the terminal version of the Claude Code. It's typically where new features go live. As you can see, I am in the terminal session only, or the terminal version of Claude Code only. If you don't see it, then you can update your Claude Code extension, which is here, right? I have enabled the auto update, so it automatically updates it. So ideally, you need to have a version 2.1.73 or higher. You can also update it from the command line by typing the command Claude update. All right, and as soon as you press enter, it will update the Claude Code terminal to the latest version. Now, in order to use the BTW command, all you need to do is just type /btw followed by your question, and then you can use the full power of /btw command just like I showed you earlier. As you can see that this yellow keyword appears as soon as you type /btw. So friends, the /btw feature future-proofs your workflow. No more managing 20 parallel threads, re-requesting context, or splitting your attention. Everything stays unified, responsive, and ridiculously efficient. If this walkthrough just saved you frustration, hours, or money, hit that like button. It helps more people unlock tools like this. Subscribe for more pro level AI and productivity guides, and don't forget, tools like /btw are what separates a user from power users. Go try it out and let me know how it upgrades your grind. Thank you. See you in the next one.